Well, we had a case in Georgia where I brought 7 experts, 7 witnesses. Among them was a senior deportation officer with 30 years of experience who testified under penalty of perjury that with papers like Obama's, if it would have been anybody else, he would be seeking a warrant for his arrest and deportation. I had a licensed investigator testifying that he is using a stolen Social Security number. I had a witness testifying that she ran Obama's E-Verify showing it doesn't match. I had a computer programmer and expert in Adobe Illustrator who testified that his birth certificate is forged. And in spite of all of this testimony, and with Obama not showing up and not producing anything, a corrupt judge has made a decision that all of the evidence was not sufficiently persuasive, and he allowed Obama to stay on the ballot. And that shows the magnitude of corruption that we have today in the judiciary. I currently have more cases going on in the state of Indiana and the state of Mississippi. And what's interesting that yesterday evening a second judge resigned from the case. And I think the judges are feeling the pressure because they know that the cases are legitimate and they, I guess, are caught between the rock and the hard place. Now I've increased the pressure on Obama because it's not only eligibility case anymore, it's a RICO case, racketeering, influence, corrupt organizations. In the pleadings state that Obama for America is a racketeering organization, and Obama, Nancy Pelosi, Secretary of Commissioner of Social Security, Michael Astro, the Director of Health of the state of Hawaii, Loretta Fuddy, Registrar Alvin Anaka, and a number of others are complicit in a racketeering conspiracy. Complicit in that they allowed a person with forged documents get on the ballot by virtue of fraud. So there is a lot of pressure now, and let's hope that's going to do the trick. So far, 2 judges resigned, but
what happened in Georgia?
We had all of the experts, and I was able to achieve something that was never achieved before. For the first time in the U.S. history, I was able to subpoena a sitting president to appear in court and provide his records and to show his birth certificate, his Social Security number, and so forth. And of course, he didn't show up because he had nothing to show. He can produce nothing. But a lot of people could see through what is going on. They could see corruption. They could see that we have a criminal sitting in the White House.
What can people do for your campaign now? You're running.
I'm running for the U.S. Senate, and Rasmussen research was done recently, which is one of the, actually it's Pulse Public Opinion Research that is using licensed Rasmussen method, and it shows me leading all of the other candidates. It shows that I led in March, and now in April the lead is increasing. However, unfortunately, we have a lot of corruption inside the Republican Party, and of course we have totally corrupted election system. So I don't know how will it end up, but people can support me by donating to my campaign and going on my website runorlyron.com and donate by credit card or PayPal, or they can go on my website for my foundation, which is Orly Taitz ESQ.com. They can. My phone number is there, my address is there, and if they would like to volunteer in the campaign, it will be greatly appreciated. Thank you.